What's up guys, welcome to today's video. Hope you guys are having a great day so far. So I usually don't film this often at properties, but this has been a property that I've been constantly talking about over the last like 2-3 months here. So I wanna kind of do weekly updates, and we are moving so freaking fast at this house that every single week I feel like we're gonna see a lot of change. So this is day 10. I guess it's like the end of day 10, so almost 2-week progress on our eviction property here, and we're moving so freaking fast. I'm happy with how fast the crew's moving. So yeah, we're gonna do hopefully some weekly installments on this YouTube channel of updates on this house, and I'll keep you guys updated throughout the entire process, even when we go and sell the property or list the property. So let's flip this camera around and give you guys an update. So the exterior, the paint's already done. We have not started landscaping yet, and I wasn't planning on starting landscaping until like another 2 weeks from now, but we're moving so fast that I don't want the landscaping to be the reason why we're not ready to list it. So I'm gonna get my guys out there hopefully this week. As you guys can see, demo is completely done. I think I filmed here when it was in progress. Our guys already put LVP in here. They installed LVP, they installed baseboards. I even got my granite guys out here in like 3 days. So we got granite installed. All the appliances are already here, so we're not buying that. We just have about 30 feet of backsplash that my guy's gonna come knock out hopefully within the next 5 days here. Cabinet and just overall paint is gonna be done, I think, probably starting of next week. I'm actually sending my crew that's working at this property over to another one a little bit later this week. So they're not gonna actually be working at this one. We're gonna get a new cabinet in here, just clean it up a little bit. It used to just be a standalone sink, which I don't know, for this price point and for the budget that we have, we're able to do that. This is where they had that fake wall at. You guys can see they obviously framed it in, so we got to do some patching, but my patch and texture guy's coming Saturday, I believe. This is the actual entire closet, so they had dummied it off right here, so it looked like it was just this small, but that is the primary bedroom, primary bathroom. We are finishing bathrooms. This is gonna be a walk-in shower. I think probably it's Wednesday now, probably by Saturday or Sunday this should be done. We're getting all new light fixtures. They already threw in some faucets and stuff. We're getting a new side mirror as well. All new hardware. We already got some patching. There's some drywall hung for the patches. My crew just doesn't, they don't want to do the texturing themselves, so we're gonna pass it on to a specialty texture guy who happens to be my painter actually, but he's working at another house, so we can't come till Saturday. Honestly, if we had like all of our crews available and we only had this property, we'd knock this out in 3 weeks, but it's harder to get everyone out here because they're at our other properties as well. But carpet's going in upstairs. We're gonna schedule that out in probably a week. I'll probably get a quote on that. And all new doors. We are getting tile up to the ceiling here. He's knocking this out. He's coming actually in like 5 minutes to install the valves and everything. We got a new bathtub as well. And then the additional bedrooms. Pretty simple. Bedrooms are always easy. You just replace the carpet, you paint. We are replacing all these receptacles because they're a little bit dirty, and it's usually like, especially these, because these are the almond color, so it's definitely worth replacing those, and they're just disgusting. All the windows look good, so I think we're gonna leave them in, just clean them up a little bit, and then there's a bunch of trash in the backyard. But yeah, this is gonna be really nice because there's even like a pathway back here. It's back to a nice little green belt. Our landscaping is probably gonna be, I don't know, we're probably gonna budget in. I need to look at my budget right now, but probably like a $6,000 to $7,000 landscape budget we're looking at. And then the AC doesn't work up here, so we're gonna go look at that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate it. That is a quick little update for you guys. The next update, I will probably wait for interior paint to be finished up as well. And we'll probably only do 1 or 2 more updates at this property with how fast we're moving. But I hired a new crew specifically for this house. It's a 3-man team, and they're knocking out everything. The only thing that they're not doing is the bathrooms, the tiling for the showers, the bathtubs, any of the plumbing, because they're not good at that, or they don't want to do that, or they're not, they don't specialize in that. They don't specialize in the texturing, but everything else they're knocking out, and not carpet either. I have a specialty carpet guy, but pretty much everything: faucets, paint, baseboards, LVP, hardware, fans, cabinet handles, cabinet paint, actual paint. They're doing all that. So I'm testing them out, and so far they're doing really good. And they work 7 days a week, which is insane too. So they just want the work, and hopefully we'll continue to be able to use them. We have a couple properties right now, so hopefully we can at least get 1 or 2 a month to keep these guys busy, because they're helping us. I want to help them as much as possible. But we got our shower guy coming in right now, so thank you guys so much for watching. Drop a like and let me know if you guys have any questions. If you guys are looking for a property here in Arizona, I'm a licensed real estate agent. I love to work with you guys. You guys can email me, and make sure you follow me on TikTok and Instagram as well.